Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri Yogini. So today's video is all about Tolasana. So how to do Tolasana easy for beginner. This asana comes under the balancing pose, bit challenging pose, but that's totally fine. Let us give a small try of doing this Tolasana. This asana is very good and effective. Strengthen your arms, your wrist, your shoulder, your abdomen, your back and the hip muscles. This asana stretches your hamstring and the thighs also. Tola. What is Tolasana? Tola means nothing but the balance or the scale. So let us see how to do Tolasana. If you are able to do the Padmasana, then you are able to do very easily this Tolasana. People who are suffering from any kind of wrist injury or arm shoulder injury, they should avoid practicing of this asana, and also the high blood pressure people should avoid this asana. Let us see how to do. First come to Padmasana comfortably. Yes, so here I am using the bricks. Okay, now slowly place the brick like this. So remember to open up your fingers and place your palm on the brick. So before practicing this asana, make sure to get a nice, prepare your hands with nice warm, especially your wrist part. Now slowly spread your fingers, just raise your hip up little. Elbow straight, breathe normal, stay here. Stay, breathe normal. You can feel some weight on your wrist, enjoy there. Now slowly come down and shake your hands. So this is very important. Now slowly one more time up and stay there. 5, breathe normal. 4, you can feel some engage over your core. 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly down and shake your hands. Very good. Now slowly, if you are able to raise up your body, same way, don't change your brick alignment. So we are going to raise our body more higher. Complete our body will be on the hair. Now slowly lift your hip up and slowly leg up. Balance here, raise your leg as much as close to your chest. Stay here, stay here, stay here. Now slowly, same way, come down. Don't jump or don't push your weight as fast as to your mat. Slowly lift up and slowly relax down. Very important. So let us try to hold this pose little more long time. So breathe normal. Don't hold your breath and stay the asana. So when you hold your breath, certain part of your muscles will get stiff more. In this asana, your core muscles will be engaged more. If you hold your breath, your core muscles will get stiff. Now slowly up and stay here. Look forward. Don't hunch your back. Stay here, stay here, stay here and slowly down. Very good. Relax. If your hands are shivering, that's totally fine. If you feel your tummy is a little pain, that's totally fine. It's part of the practice. Now slowly, if you're able to do with this alignment, now slowly turn your brick into a straight side. Same way, spread your fingers. Kind of slowly take a nice deep breath in. Slowly raise your hip up and stay here. Let it push your body forward, spine straight. Stay there, stay there. Breathe normal. Now slowly down and relax. Shake your hands. Now slowly let me show the same posture with a side angle. Now slowly brick alignment proper. Spread your fingers. Kind of slowly raise up your body. Stay here. So make your elbow straight. Don't bend your elbows like this. Straight elbow and slowly down. When you're coming down also, remember to drop your body slowly. Don't put your body complete with the force. You might get some injury over your shoulders, over your wrist also. Now slowly, as I tell you before, this asana is called as the scale pose, right? The balancing pose, the balance. Tola means nothing but the scale or balance. So let us do some movement, swinging movement, front and back, to make our hands a little more stronger. Okay, now slowly, same way, raise up and swing. Swing your body like a scale. Now slowly down and relax. Very good. At day 1, you might not raise your body as much as possible to higher. That's totally fine. If you're able to raise up little, that's totally fine. As you practice day by day, your elbow will be straighten up. Your body will raise up more higher. So if you're able to do with help of brick easily like this, let us try the same asana without brick support. Now slowly breathe normal, place your palms complete, okay, on the mat. With inhale, slowly little raise your legs up, push your weight little forward, raise your hip up and body up and down. Do this simple up and down movement for 5 to 6 times, that's totally fine. Down, up, down, up, down. Count 2 more. Catch 1 more, raise up and down. Very good. Shake your hands. Now let us try to hold for a few seconds. Now slowly up. Stay here, stay here, stay here. Look forward. Breathe normal. Now slowly down and relax. Very simple. So you just need to try this asana. So that's it for today. If you like this video, what do you want to do? Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, at least just for 5 people. Let everyone be happy, healthy by practicing of yoga. So see you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste.